Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish channel. Today we will introduce the 2022 Suzuki V-Strom 650XT. Both variants of the Suzuki V-Strom come with a new look with bolder colors and changes to the engine sector. Suzuki says that the latest generation of the V-Strom 650 has got a touch on the engine sector in order to pass the emission standards set in Japan. In appearance, the V-Strom 650 still maintains a design line that is thick with adventure style. The two V-Strom variants are distinguished on the wheels. The V-Strom 650 ABS uses standard bar rims, while the V-Strom 650XT is equipped with spoke rims. In addition, the XT variant is also equipped with a handguard and engine under the cowl. Renowned for versatility, reliability, and value, Suzuki's V-Strom 650 model has attracted many riders who use their motorcycles for touring, commuting, or fun riding when passion drives them. It is a touchstone motorcycle balanced with its natural riding position, comfortable seat, and flexible engine character that delivers a stress-free ride during brief daily use or long-distance adventures. Take the iconic DR Big V-Strom beak to the horizon when 37L quick-release aluminum panniers, sturdy accessory bars, handlebar cross supports, and mirror extensions are standard equipment. Finished in deep glass sparkle black paint, the 2022 V-Strom 650XT Adventure launches on tubeless-spoke wheels with blue anodized rims that are sized just right for the mission. Fully loaded and ready to go, the V-Strom 650XT Adventure continues the V-Strom family tradition of being a fun and logical motorcycle to buy and ride. The engine delivers outstanding performance and outstanding fuel economy while achieving worldwide emission standards. Suzuki's engineering achievements also include a low-weight and sleek chassis, creating the versatile, controllable, and financially accessible V-Strom Adventure 650XT. The V-Strom 650XT Adventure is a motorcycle that is bigger than its parts count, offering versatility, reliability, and function that is second to none in its class. Check out the 2022 V-Strom 650XT Adventure for your next trip, and you'll see it tick every box on your exploration list. This V-Strom is perfectly ready for adventure. All it needs is you and the map. The V-Strom 650 is one of those motorcycles that is quite famous for being one that can do it all. Whether you want to travel around town or drive across the country, this mid-range Suzuki will do it with ease. The base V-Strom 650 is the entry point to Suzuki's adventure lineup in their 2022 motorcycle portfolio. Like most Japanese motorcycles, the Suzuki V-Strom is known for its reliability. It is such a renowned piece of engineering that it is often considered one of the most versatile Suzuki motorcycles on the market. At the heart of the motorcycle is a 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that produces 70 horsepower and 46 lb-ft of torque. Power delivery is a calm and confidence-inspiring mode, perfect for first-time riders to experience a bigger adventure bike. The V-Strom 650 also offers Suzuki's advanced traction control system, easy start system, low RPM assist function, and ABS. The base V-Strom 650 is its more asphalt-oriented sibling and features a 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Battlax Adventure A40 tires. For 2022, the V-Strom 650 is available in only one color scheme in the US, Pearl Brilliant White. Across the border in Canada, where it's called the V-Strom 650A, it's sold in two colors, Pearl Vigor Blue and Glass Sparkle Black. Key features: featured for a real adventure in the iconic new Champion yellow paint scheme, this V-Strom features stylish spoke wheels with gold anodized aluminum wheels that carry dual-sport tubeless radial tires, handguards, and a protective lower engine cover. Set for real adventures in glass sparkle black paint with blue graphics, This V-Strom has stylish spoke wheels with blue anodized aluminum wheels that carry tubeless dual sport radial tires, hand guards, and a protective undercarriage cover. The liquid-cooled, 645 cubic centimeters, 90-degree V-twin engine delivers strong torque in the low to the mid-RPM range, but delivers a powerful boost at high RPM power, ideal for any driving mission. Suzuki's Advanced Traction Control System * Easy Start System, Low RPM Assist feature, plus ABS technology * make great motorcycles truly extraordinary. The ADV fairing, with its vertically stacked headlights and adjustable windshield, houses a multifunction instrument panel that can be customized with a wealth of informational lighting. The strong and lightweight chassis features Suzuki V-Strom aluminum panniers that slide easily on and off, which keep the motorcycle trim for short trips. The traction control system is not a substitute for rider throttle control. It cannot prevent loss of traction due to excessive speed when the rider enters corners and/or brakes. Nor can it prevent the front wheel from losing grip. Depending on road surface conditions, such as wet, loose, or uneven roads, the braking distance for vehicles equipped with ABS may be longer than for vehicles not equipped with ABS. ABS cannot prevent wheel slippage caused by braking during cornering. Please drive carefully and don't rely too much on ABS. Using SV650 engineering, the liquid-cooled DOHC V-Strom engine has been tuned to deliver clean, powerful power at any RPM. Low-friction resin-coated pistons and SCEM-coated cylinders help deliver high mileage for a class-leading touring range. The unique engine enclosure hardware and optional fasteners are designed to allow the use of Torx or conventional hexagonal-style tools. The sleek 2-to-1 exhaust system is routed under the chassis to reduce weight, concentrate mass, and provide room for a narrow tail section and optional trunk. The exhaust system is dual catalyzed and uses O2 feedback to the EFI system to provide optimal combustion efficiency and reduce emissions to extremely low levels. The fuel injection system uses Suzuki's innovative SDTV, Suzuki dual throttle valve, on a 39mm throttle body. The secondary throttle valve is controlled by a servo motor for smooth power delivery. The 10-nostril-type fuel injectors on each throttle body enhance fuel atomization for better combustion efficiency while reducing fuel consumption. Suzuki's patented throttle body integrated idle speed control, TIISC, stabilizes the engine idle speed and helps lower emissions. The system is compact and lightweight. The TIISC on the V-Strom 650XT Adventure features Suzuki's low RPM assist, which smoothly adjusts engine speed during takeoff and driving at low speeds for smoother power delivery. It also helps reduce the chances of the rider stopping the motorcycle. The Engine Control Module, ECM, provides advanced engine management and has improved settings to match the updated intake and exhaust systems, resulting in improved fuel economy and linear throttle response. This engine features dual spark technology heads with 2 high-energy slim electrode spark plugs per cylinder, which aids combustion efficiency and power production. The V-Strom 650XT Adventure is equipped with Suzuki's Advanced Traction Control System *, which allows the rider to control the throttle with more confidence in various driving conditions. It continuously monitors front and rear wheel speed, throttle opening, engine speed, and selected transmission gear to adjust engine output if wheel speed is detected. There are 3 traction control modes, 1, 2, and OFF, and the difference between them is their sensitivity to road conditions. Mode 1 is the lowest level of sensitivity, most suitable for skilled riders or in conditions that have good road surface grip, driving on good and smooth roads. Mode 2 is the highest level of sensitivity, suitable for road conditions where the grip may be limited, wet or cold surfaces. OFF releases all traction control features. The V-Strom is also equipped with the Suzuki Easy Start system, which allows the rider to start the motorcycle by briefly pressing the start button without pulling the clutch lever when the transmission is in neutral. The compact radiator is flanked by wind guide plates which increase cooling efficiency and direct heat out of the side vents away from the rider's feet. The 6-speed transmission lends itself to sporty driving with a tight first to fifth gear ratio and a high top gear, 6th gear, for road cruising. Low maintenance and durable sealed O-ring drive chains are standard. The traction control system is not a substitute for rider throttle control. It cannot prevent loss of traction due to excessive speed when the rider enters corners and/or brakes. Nor can it prevent the front wheel from losing grip. The 2022 Suzuki V-Strom 650 starts at $8,904 US or $10,299 Canadian dollars.